Hello everyone. To start off by taking this container, using a blue marker, begin to make these dotted lines to it. As you can see, we are making the head of a bird. So now add the detailing to this as well. Add a little crown at the top and then draw the rest of the bird's body at the base. Add the little lines of its wings as well and then add these dotted lines at the back. Once again, add the beak onto the other end of it as well and then make the same markings out of it. We have also made the tail. Now at the back, add these connecting lines. Cut it out according to this and insert a plant into it. In order to make this, start off by drawing your bird and then draw the babies at the base of it. Once you have cut it out, begin to color it in using different markers and then put your plants into it. Take your container, make these dotted lines to it and then make these dotted lines into the head of a bird. As you can see, we are drawing the beak right now. Add the eyes and then on top of this, begin to color this in. Afterwards, you may add the hair at the top as well. Add the lines in the neck and then the rest of the detailing as well. Draw the bird's body along with its wings and then afterwards do the same at the base. Add the lines to its body, go all the way around to the other side and then afterwards color it in any color that you please. Once you are done with this, you may take your blade and then cut it out. Next, we'll start off by taking this container and then afterwards draw on the shape that you please. Start off by using dotted lines and then add an eye in the front of it. Add these dotted lines to the back as well. These will be the ears. Now at the bottom, add these curvy dotted lines and then go all the way to the back in order to do so. Now using a blade, cut it alongside the dotted lines that you have created. Now once you go all the way, it should begin to take shape. Next, we'll start off by making these flower shapes and then afterwards begin to cut it out of these flower shapes. Now stick them onto your little elephant. Add the pink shade in the middle, add a flower at the top of it all. Thank you for watching.